So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Do you have a WordPress website hosted on a Truehost website and want to connect it to Google Search Console? Here's the quickest way to verify your website. Firstly, go to Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account. Click Start Now, then select Add Property. Choose URL prefix, then copy your website address from WordPress. Settings, General, set address and paste it into Google Search Console. Now click Continue, and Google will give you several verification options. Choose HTML file. Download the verification file provided by Google. Then log into your Truehost hosting account and open your website's file manager. Go to your website's root directory and upload the HTML verification file there. And make sure you don't rename the file. Now return to Google Search Console and click Verify, and once Google finds the file, your website will be verified. And that's it. Your Truehost WordPress website is now connected to Google Search Console and ready for indexing and performance tracking. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.